Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Secrets Manager for database credentials, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Secrets Manager for database credentials, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Secrets Manager service. Click on the Store a New Secret option. Choose the type of secret you want to store, such as other type of secrets for database credentials. Fill in the required information, including your database username and password. Provide an optional secret name that will help you identify it later. Add any necessary tags to organize your secrets effectively. Click Next to move to the next step. Review the settings and adjust the permissions if needed. Click Store to save your secret. Once the secret is stored, navigate to the AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, section. Create a new policy that allows access to the Secrets Manager service. Define the permissions for the secret you just created. Attach the new policy to an IAM role or user that will access the secret. Switch to your preferred programming environment or framework. Install the AWS SDK if you haven't done so yet. Set up your AWS credentials in the configuration file or environment variables. In your code, use the AWS SDK to create a Secrets Manager client. Make a call to the getSecretValue function with the secret name you created. Check the response for the secrets value, which will include your database credentials. Use these credentials to establish a connection to your database. Always remember to handle your secret values carefully. Consider implementing rotation for your secrets to enhance security. Regularly review and audit access permissions. This will help ensure that only authorized users can access the same credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.